Echo Victor Zulu Bravo.
Bravo, Echo Victor Victor 5.
Can I have 2k, not too far out, under some 6 going up, please?
Any particular direction?
Right, comfy in the front?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Very good. So I'll start with my stick right back, and what that'll do is that'll balance us on the belly wheel, and then as we pick up speed I'll just ease off, and then we'll just balance it really, and then just wait and she'll take off by herself.
Somewhere with a pub.
Somewhere with a pub. Somewhere without a fence.
Yeah.
So now I'm at a height where if I'm not happy I'll just go around and land in the other direction.
Yeah.
So we're all safe now, all good.
Cool.
Out in the distance I'm guessing it's going to be where probably out to the right, Nuneaton.
Oh yeah, I can see that, yeah.
And then there's the cement works in the distance. So to the left will be Northampton. And then you've got Brunting Thorpe. And then put your what? I'm not sure, I'll tell you. And then the clubhouse behind us. That lake, see the point on that lake.
Yeah.
That point points back to the flying club.
Okay.
So if anyone was thinking where the hell are we?
Just see that. So my 3 o'clock will be the point back to the runway, yeah?
Yeah. So heading out towards the A14 M6.
Yeah.
And he's going to take us round.
Oh wow.
If you turn that volume up a little bit.
Yeah, I was going to say, would you like some volume?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes, please, that's good, thank you.
Oh wow.
So that's going uppy stuff. So I'm just going to stay in it for a minute. Just like as slow as I can. So 45 knots is about right. And then just try and stay in it as best we can. Looking over the nose, looking at the attitude over the nose.
Yeah.
Do that constant, speed constant. And then I reckon we should get up to the cloud base there if we're looking. So having a good look around. If you see any other aircraft, let me know.
Yeah. I've just seen something that's probably about 5 o'clock at the moment, but
that might be the tug on his way down.
yeah, I think it.
Looking out, there's the flying club just there. Nice and slow, just near the storm.
Well, that's pushed us back to the field really quick, hasn't it?
Yeah. And remember, wind increases with height.
Yes, okay.
So the higher we go,
The quicker it's going to push us along.
The morning briefing this morning was about 15 or 20 knots at 2,000. We're at 2,000. Okay, should we get you to do some flying?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I'll just go around and round with the light.
Yeah, yeah.
Get the wings level. So put your hand on the stick.
I've got it.
Look out over the nose.
Yeah.
See the amount of ground that's in view, that's the normal gliding attitude.
Okay.
If I ease the stick forward, nose goes down,
Yeah.
ease the stick back, nose comes back, and if I keep going and I don't do anything, don't do anything,
Start
the
to
nose
stall.
goes down by itself.
Wow.
Okay, so
Cool.
alright?
Yeah.
Okay, you have the stick.
Taking control.
Okay, you have control. So show me a bit of forward stick. And a bit of back stick. And then put it back to where it was to begin with if you can. You feel the wings are not level.
Yeah.
So straighten them up like that. There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I have control. I'm going to do a turn to the left or right because we're in lift again. Look,
Hey.
we're in, oh, look at that, 6 up. Shit, no, bad. 6 up. Let's stay here for a minute.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Right.
So, wings level. There we go, wings level. Okay, you have control. You have the stick.
Control.
So, give me a right hand turn, see if you can stay in it. Whoa, there it is. Wow. So keep the turn coming round. And watch your attitude, the nose.
Yeah.
Try and keep the nose attitude constant if you can. Easy to say. But you're doing okay. There it is. You're doing that, not me. Keep it coming round, that's it. You've just gained 200 feet.
Oh.
So try and keep the stick steady, if you can.
Yeah.
I have control, so feel
control.
what I'm doing. Look,
Yeah.
feel. Not doing hardly anything.
Okay.
Very gentle. So you have the stick again.
Yeah.
Yours.
Yeah.
So just nice gentle movements. And you can definitely see Pittsford now, the S-shaped reservoir, just down over the now. In the distance,
see that.
S-shaped Pittsford. Yeah, you definitely need to come back, mate, because
Yeah.
I think you've got this now. The kiss of death is to reverse your turn. Once you're established, you turn to the right.
Yeah. Okay.
Ride it to the top. Once you start, shit, maybe I'm come out of it, I'll turn left.
Okay.
And then you'll lose it. Look out, now's the difficult bit. Are there any other aircraft in circuit? So we need to be mindful. This is the busy part of the airport.
Okay.
So I'm just going to stay, and then see those clouds to our left
Yes.
above you. I'm
Yes.
just going to try and fly under those if I can.
Okay.
And if there's any going up and stuff, we'll take it. So you see we're 1100 feet already,
Yeah. Yeah.
and it's going down fierce. So I think we're probably screwed now.
Yeah.